Properties of the four types of crystalline solids are as shown below. In this table, the properties of the four types of the crystalline solids are discussed. There are different points from 1 to 6 points with examples. These are the ionic solids, covalent solids, and molecular solids and metallic solids. Their properties are corresponding present in these columns as shown in this table. The next one are crystal structure. The crystal structures are depends upon the two terms, lattice and basis. That is, the ordered three-dimensional arrangement of the particles in crystals is described two terms, crystal, lattice, and second is a basis. Crystal, lattice, and basis. The crystal structure. A crystal structure is obtained by attaching the constituent particles to each of the lattice points. If there are the different constituent particles are attached with each other, then they can form the crystal structure. Then lattice. Lattice is a geometrical three-dimensional arrangement of the different periodic array. This is also the definition as shown in this point. The lattice are the geometrical arrangement of the points in a three-dimensional periodic array is called the lattice. Three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points is called as a lattice. Basis. The constituent particles that are attached to the lattice points from the basis of the crystal lattice. Constituent particles, they are attached with each other in the lattice points to form the basis. These different types of these bases are attached together to form the crystal structure. The crystal lattice is also called as a lattice of the crystal. Crystal lattice is also called as a space lattice of the crystal. Crystal lattice, space lattice. The crystal structure represented by the equation lattice plus basis equal to the crystal. That is, this lattice and the basis together are called as a crystal. Next point is a unit cell. Unit cell is defined as the smallest repeating structural unit of the crystalline solid is called unit cell. The unit cell shares faces, edges and corners with neighboring unit cell. They share their faces, edges and corners with neighboring unit cell, and the geometrical shape of the unit cell is same as that of the macroscopic crystal. Hence, for example, if there is a crystal is present in a cubic shape of the unit cell, will also have the constituent particle arrangement to form the tiny cube. The dimensions of the unit cell along the three axes is denoted by the symbols A, B and C. These dimensions means there is a length of the three axes are denoted by the A, B and C. And the bond angle between the two axes is represented by the symbols alpha, beta and gamma as shown in the table. There is a figure. This figure shows that this edge length 1, 2 and this is a 3. These are the three axes are represented by the using these dimensions, while the axis between the axis shows the angle alpha, beta and gamma. The next is the type of unit cells. There are four types of the unit cells. The first is a simple cubic unit cell. Second, body-centered unit cell. Third, face-centered unit cell. And fourth is a base-centered unit cell. These are the four types of the unit cells. The first, primitive or simple unit cell. In this simple or unit cell, the constituent particles are present and only at the corners. They present their constituent particles at the corners of the cube. Next is a body cell. In this body-centered unit cell, one constituent particle, whole constituent particle present in its body, and there is a constituent particles also shows at its corner of the cube. Constituent particle present at its center of the body in addition to the corner of the particles. Next is a face-centered unit cell. This unit cell consists of particles at the corners of each of the faces in addition to the corners of the particles. In a cube, there is a 6 faces and each face contains one half particle. This 6 faces contains there is a one half particles and also in addition to the corners of the particles. This shows the face-centered unit cell. Next one is a base-centered unit cell. This base-centered unit cell consists of the particles of the center of any two of its possible faces in addition to the corner of the particles. Means the cube contains any two faces, there is a face contains one half particle and the 4 faces are empty. With addition, the particles present at its corner of the cube. Next is a crystal system. This crystal system consists of there is a 14 Bravais lattices. This Bravais lattices proved by the mathematical analysis. Therefore, by mathematical analysis, it has been proved that only 14 kinds of space lattices are possible. These 14 lattices which describe crystal structure are called as Bravais lattices. These 14 Bravais lattices are divided into the 7 crystal systems, and this depends upon the possible combinations of the lattice point spacing, that is axis length A, B and C, also along the 3 axes and angles between the any 2 axes, that is the alpha, beta and gamma, gives rise the 7 crystal systems. These 7 crystal systems are associated with 14 Bravais lattices are also called as 14 unit cells. The 7 crystal systems are named as, first is a cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal and rhombohedral. These 7 types of crystals are there is a 14 types of the Bravais lattices. This is a C-TOM THR, means C means cubic, T means tetragonal, O orthorhombic, M monoclinic, T triclinic, H hexagonal and R rhombohedral. The 14 types of the Bravais lattices are shown following table. These are the 14 types of the lattices which contains the cubic cell. Cubic unit cell contains the 3 lattices, simple or primitive, body centered and face centered. Next one, orthorhombic contains there is a 4 types of the lattices, simple, body centered, face centered, and base centered. Next, in case of the tetragonal, simple or primitive, and second is a body centered. Means in case of the cubic units, it shows the three types: orthorhombic 4, tetragonal only 2. Next is a monoclinic. Monoclinic also shows simple and base centered. They contains two types of the Bravais lattices, but from the rhombohedral to hexagonal there is a only one types of the Bravais lattices. In rhombohedral, simple or primitive; triclinic, simple or primitive; and also hexagonal, simple or primitive, as shown in this table. This is important note in this case. The 14 types. These are the 14 types of the Bravais lattices with decimal system, edge length, and angles present between the axes. By using this table, we can shows that there is a bond length are different in each cases with different in their bond angles. And by using these combinations, scientist Bravais shows that there is a 14 types of the Bravais lattices, including 7 types of crystals.